A very good morning to one and all. So, how are you all? First of all, okay. Just my advice is to follow the instruction of your parents. Study timely. That is what I can say from here. Okay. You might have already got circular from principal sir regarding the celebrations, that is Independence Day. So you have to prepare a video or speech or not speech, so video or skit, and if you are interested then you can send that video to your respective class teacher. So do participate in such activities if you are interested. Okay, let me concentrate on chapter number 4 from civics, that is growing up as boys and girls. So we are now talking about growing up of boys and girls. We are going to see certain incidents where girls are treated separately. Even today in India also the same type of discrimination can be found, even though it is minimized. Let us see. This is a small chapter. I'll be able to complete in one video only. Let's move. First of all, let's see some important terms that is found in this chapter. First one is Anganwadis. You might have heard very well about this term, Anganwadis. It's a childcare center set up by the government in several villages in the country. So that is Anganwadi centers, wherein they provide food also, as well as they take care of the babies also. You can say it's just like of a nursery type. So in the big cities and in the towns and all, the schools are only providing that nursery, first of all playgroup, followed by nursery, then junior KG and senior KG. But if you see in the government and all, this type of nursery, pre-nursery or LKG, UKG, it cannot be found. Directly they are taking admission in class 1. So now Anganwadi, that is just like you can say that before going to the basic schooling education, that is before taking admission in class 1, I'm talking about in government schools only, that especially in the village areas, there are these Anganwadi children, they go to Anganwadis wherein they study as well, just like basic things are being taught in the Anganwadis only. And food is also provided for them, and proper care is being taken, just like for 2 to 3 hours in a day, not more than that. Okay, this Anganwadi, first of all, is a childcare center set up by the government in several villages in the country. Then care. What is the meaning of care? Everybody know this meaning very well, but caregiving is a word, it's a range of tasks related to looking after and nurturing. Nurturing means taking care of the children. So, range of tasks. So many tasks are there related to looking after the children. Then, devalued, small dash it is, devalued means when someone is not given due recognition for a task or a job they have done, they can feel devalued. That means that proper value is not given. When proper value is not being given to the work which they are doing, then we can say that their work is devalued. For example, we can say very well that the work is carrying forward by the Safai Karmachari. Safai Karmachari means maybe the sweepers, maybe the bungis, those who are cleaning the toilets and all, or the domestic house workers. Their work is devalued. So maximum importance is given to the one who are going and working in cosmopolitan city, or maybe in a building, or maybe in a you can say what's called high profiled jobs. High profiled jobs are all considered as valuable job. टाई वो सब पहन के और एकदम यूनिफॉर्म पहन के तो ढंग का कोई काम करके ऑफिसर का काम करते तो उनको बहुत वैल्यू। तो वही जो साधारण काम करते, कचरा उठाने का सब काम करते, तो देन दे आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द वर्क एंड द अदर वन इज ऑल्सो डूइंग द वर्क, बट we are comparing, and the work is being done by the low class people or the safai karmachari or the others. They are all considered as the devalued, or their work is devalued. Then double burden. What is the meaning of double burden? The literally meaning itself says is double load, double work. Sometimes mother, they are working outside also and they have to take care of the home as well. Then gender. What is the meaning of gender? Gender means the many social values and stereotypes our cultures attach to the biological distinction between male and female. So that is, gender means simply we can say that it's a biological distinction. So biological distinction between male or female, boys or girls, that is called gender. So gender discrimination means discriminating on the basis of boy or girl. We are going to see this one. I will show this one little bit later. First of all, the heading, 2 examples showing different ways of growing up. So that is the beginning of the chapter. 2 examples showing different ways of growing up. One is Samoa, or I can say Samoa Island in 1920s. Samoa is a name of a place. It is an island. So just like now we will going to see the location of Samoa. Can you see Samoa? Okay, it is a location in the world map. This is located. You can see Australia ke upar. So you can see Samoa is an island. Okay, in the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, don't know exactly. So this is a location of Samoa, and now we are going to talking about this particular place. In 1920, what happened? Let's come on. In Samoa, children did not go to school. Wow, they did not go to school. Not because of COVID-19. Then they learned many things from older children and adults. Then how they learn the things? They learn many things from the older children. Older children, maybe their brothers and sisters, you can say the friend circle, and adults, बड़े से सबसे वो सीखते हैं without going to school. At the age of 9 years, a boy joined older boys in learning outdoor jobs. Outdoor jobs matlab, see, you have to read this particular incident. It is nicely narrated in the chapter. I have mentioned only the pinpoints, or I can say the key points only mentioned. So in detail, if you wanted to study this, you have to go through the textbook. You have to read. It's a nice story. At the age of 9, a boy joined older boys in learning outdoor jobs. Outdoor jobs matlab not inside job. It may be the carpentry work or cutting the wood. So all these things are called outdoor jobs at the age of 9. The girls after the age of 14 went on fishing trips. Fishing trips matlab you can see that Samoa is an island. So it's covered by water on all sides. So girls at the age of 14, after that they went on fishing trips. Fishing trip मतलब वो वाला ट्रिप नहीं है, तो ट्रिप मतलब आना जाना फिशिंग में, बोटिंग में. So then worked in the plantations. Plantation means it may be the coffee plantation, tea plantation, rubber plantation, उसमें काम करना. Then learned how to weave baskets, and also what they used to do, they learn how to weave baskets. These are the specific jobs done by the girl children, whereas the boys they go for outdoor jobs. कुछ भी कैजुअल लेबर टाइप है या हेवी वर्क है या कारपेंट्री वर्क है, ऑल दीज आर आउटडोर जॉब्स, whereas these are girls specifically girls prefer to do fishing then working in plantation as well as weaving baskets. This is a way in Samoa Island. So another example, again I said two examples, that the main thing says that two examples showing different ways. One is in Samoa, there we have learned 3 points, and here one is in Madhya Pradesh. I have not shown the location because you know very well where is Madhya Pradesh in the map of India. So Madhya Pradesh में 1960, whereas Samoa में in 1920. Girls' school was different from the boys' school. So here, the setup is different, for separate school for boys and girls. The girls always went in groups because of the fear of being teased or attacked. This is not the case of 1960. Even today, if you go to the village side, their students, or you can say the children, especially the girls, they move in a group. Why? There is a fear that maybe the village children या other children या maybe the elders they may tease करते हैं या attack करते हैं, इसके लिए वो group में जाते थे. Okay, the boys enjoyed more freedom as they try out tricks with their bicycles on the streets. That means the boys they used to enjoy try out tricks, मतलब अलग अलग, जैसे उसको बिना हाथ पकड़े बिना बाइसिकल चलाना या फिर उसको वन व्हील से चलाना. These are all called as tryout tricks. So boys used to do all these things and they used to enjoy this a lot. Let's see, this is the condition of Madhya Pradesh in 1960s. That's all. It's just a comparison given. So in Madhya Pradesh, the different school only set up, or it's set up in such a way that you can say the typical boys and girls. And in Samoa, where after 9, boys used to go to outdoor jobs, whereas after 14, girls used to engage in the other homely activities, you can say. Now, how boys and girls socialized differently. Toys become a way of telling children that they will have the different future when they become men and women. So this example even I have quoted, see, isn't it? So whenever, if you people, you might have also observed that whenever you people are attending any birthday function, so if you wanted to purchase a gift, at that time you approach the shopkeeper, and at that time if you are searching for a gift item, at that time the shopkeeper asks first question, किसका birthday है, लड़का या लड़की, isn't it? And immediately he only resolves your problem. और लड़की है, अच्छा, okay, then he shows such items that are exclusively played by the girls. It may be kitchen set, it may be the Barbie set, it may be makeup set, makeup kit, like that. So boys है तो टॉयज़ है, उनको कार दिखाएगा और उनको और बहुत सारे ऐसा गन्स है, ये है, उस मतलब द टिपिकल वहीं से शुरू होता है. टॉयज, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट सेज दैट द टॉयज बिकम अ वे ऑफ टेलिंग चिल्ड्रन, एंड वही आगे जाके उसी कंडीशन में बच्चे ग्रो होते हैं व्हेन दे बिकम मेन एंड women also. Examples in daily life, how girls must dress, what games that boys should play, and how girls need to talk softly or boys need to be tough. So all these things are being taught when the children are at their young ages only. You might have observed this at your home also. So जोर से अगर लड़की चिल्ला के बोलती है तो मम्मी ठोकती है, तो वो बोलते हैं कि अरे धीरे से बोल, धीमे बोल. So like that, and the boys if they shout and all, so of course parents will shout at them also. But if they cry, if the girls, if they cry and all, so mothers are not taking much tensions, or family members are, ना ऐसे ऐसे हमें पता है कि इट्स अ स्टीरियोटाइप कि गर्ल्स तो रोते ही हैं, बट बॉयज़ रोएंगे तो इमिडिएटली देयर विल बी क्वेश्चन, आप तो बॉय है, अरे बच्चा आप तो बॉय हो, अब तो रोते बॉयज़ रोते नहीं हैं, लाइक दैट दे स्पेसिफाई। और बच्चे यही सुन के वो बड़ा हो जाता है, एंड व्हेन ही grows up, when he become an adult person, at that time even though the situation comes wherein he becomes very nervous, or you can say sensational, or you can say sensitive, not sensational, at that time also he may he may try to he want to cry and relax himself, but due to all these turmoils that boys never cry, so stereotype, and because of that he controls his feelings. So यही होता है, men and women do not have the same status. So that these all, the third point is slowly is changing. It's not that we are sticking to one point only that we used to follow in the older days. नाउ वैल्यूइंग हाउस वर्क, जो घर पे जो काम करते हैं उसको हम कितना वैल्यू देते हैं. हाउस वर्क मीन्स द वर्क इज बीइंग डन एट होम. Housework and caregiving task, already that concept has come in the important terms. Caregiving tasks are the main responsibility of women means is typical. आपको दो काम तो कम से कम करना है, आपका तीसरा काम कुछ भी करे बट ये तो करना ही है. एक तो हाउस वर्क मीन्स इट मे बी कुकिंग, इट मे बी क्लीनिंग, इट मे बी whatever it is, overall responsibility of the house will be of yours. And as well as the important one is to केयर गिविंग. सो चिल्ड्रन को देखभाल करना भी मम्मी का ही काम होता है. Then the other one, the work that women do within the home is not recognized as work. तो वही है जो मम्मी जो का दिन भर 24/7 काम करती है, एंड इट इज़ नेवर कंसिडर्ड एज अ वर्क. तो आके जाके तो वही बोलेंगे पापा या कोई भी फैमिली मेम्बर, तो दिन भर करती क्या है, isn't it? मैं तो बाहर जाके ये करता हूँ वो करता हूँ, पूरा दिन मेरा हेक्टिक रहा, बिजी शेड्यूल रहा, सो आई एम गेटिंग मीन्स फुल्ली engaged today. And ultimately what you are doing, if the mummy is asking for कि I wanted to go out for shopping and all, so immediately तो तू दिन भर करती क्या है, मैं तो बहुत थक गया हूँ. That answers sometime she may have to expect this. That's what the point says, that what the mothers are doing work at home, it is never considered as a work, or there is no value for them. Let's see. You can see two images. One is from the movie English I think. So there she is doing all the work and all, mother. That exclusively the movie is all about Sridevi Katha, and featuring that she is engaging herself to the entire family, doing the work, and you can say supplying the things, or looking after the needs of the family. And in another one, that the ladies, they are doing their बीड़ी, have you know बीड़ी वाला स्मोक करने वाला बीड़ी है ना, वो बीड़ी को रोल करते हैं, they are doing that work. So you can see that people are sitting at social distance in those days. Maybe it's a recent picture also, I don't know. तो वो करते हैं और उसके लिए उनको क्या मिलता है, पैसा मिलता है. ओके. सो बट ये जो पहले वाला पिक्चर है, सो वो जो करती है उसके लिए उसको कोई पैसा नहीं मिलते. सो नेक्स्ट वन, lives of domestic workers. Domestic workers means the workers, or you can say that काम वाले भाई टाइप वाले. सो दैट घर में काम करने वाले. Many homes in towns and cities employ domestic workers. हाँ, आपके घर पे भी है, मेरे घर पे भी है. We are all employing the domestic workers. हमारा household core या काम करने के लिए हमें काम वाली या भाई या servant को रखते हैं. Most domestic workers are women. Yes, that is also absolutely right. Their wages are low as their work does not have much value. So they are getting less payment because the work which they are doing that doesn't have much value. The housework women do the housework women do is strenuous मतलब hard है, कठिन बोलते हैं, एंड फिजिकली डिमांडिंग एंड टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. उसके लिए उनको फिजिकल डिमांड भी, थकावट भी हो जाता है, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द झाड़ू पोछा करना है या बर्तन करना है या कचरा पोता करना है. ये 3 तो मेन काम है दैट डोमेस्टिक कोर्स या वर्क कहा जाता है, वेर इन योर एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड. इफ यू आर, आई कैन से, इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग बेटर, इफ you are not feeling good, then you can't do all these things. So it is physically you have to be very strong, as well as it is a time consuming also. You can't finish all the things in 1 second. Just पानी डाल दिया और बर्तन नहीं धुल गए और कपड़े नहीं धुल गए. So you have to give sufficient time for that. So it is hard also. Then women spend much more time working than men and have much less time for leisure. Leisure means क्या है, फ्री या ब्रेक या आराम कह सकते हैं. So actually women are doing more work compared to men from morning to till night, but they get hardly less time for leisure. फ्री टाइम या उनको बहुत कम मिलता है, आराम करने के लिए उनको बहुत कम टाइम मिलता है. You can see that one time, this is the casual, or I can say the domestic workers that she is having. See, she can't complete it in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So it is a time consuming job. So she is doing that. और दूसरा पिक्चर में you can see that कि all that she, झाड़ू पोछा भी है, उसको कपड़ा भी है, बर्तन भी है, ये करना है, वो करना है, बाल्टी पकड़े है. So it's a image. So okay. Women's work and equality. The Indian Constitution says that being male or female should not become a reason of discrimination. कोई discrimination इसका होना नहीं चाहिए. In reality, inequality exists between male and female. Yes, inequality, it does exist between male and female. The government has set up Anganwadi or child care centers in several villages in the country. As I told you, Anganwadi क्या होता है. And the government has also made law that the organizations that have more than 30 women employees should provide crèche बोलते हैं. crèche means it's a nursery facility, or you can say that कि हम अभी आजकल कैसे कि कहते हैं child care center जैसे, that is wherein children are being looked after, that is called crèche. So where the government has made it a law that organization, wherever that women, more than 30 women, if they are working as an employee, then that association or that organization should provide this facility, because women means they might be having, definitely having children, and they have to concentrate, they have to give their time for child caring also. So child is at home and mother is at office, so at that time it will be very difficult for mother to concentrate on both the side. At times nowadays nuclear family, chota family hota hai, so maybe no one is there to look after the younger ones at home also. At that time, if this type of facility is available, that they can keep their children and they can work side by side. So we'll see the image. This is Anganwadi. Actually, this is what I said कि Anganwadi कि there Anganwadi ये teacher भी है. You can say that there are teachers also. They are ये या crèche भी ऐसे इनको कह सकते हैं कि इनके मम्मी लोग सब तो उधर organization में काम करते हैं और बच्चे को संभालना ये इनका काम होता है. तो ऐसा हो सकता है, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा कानून बताता है, ऐसे गवर्नमेंट कहते हैं. So I think this here we have come to an end of this chapter, that is growing up as boys and girls. And I have explained the main points which come across in the chapter. Now your job to read sentence by sentence what is given, and because there's a beautiful examples have been narrated that you will enjoy while reading. Thank you so much for watching. Please do comment, please do share, sorry not share, if you want you can, but please do like, press like button if you really like it. Okay, and many of my students they are commenting that they are missing me. I am also missing you children, and hope very soon we will meet. And this is the best we can say, what we can say, we can't avoid this. Let's see how far it will continue, and I am also missing you all. uh, Okay, what to say? I have no words to explain. Please, 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 please keep studying. Please listen to your parents. Don't allow them to say anything for you. Okay, you only timely complete your work, and शिकायत का कोई मौका अपने parents को मत देना. That is my request, humble request to my dear students. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.